So before going to the functional area, you should know about the lobes. So in the central sulcus, anterior to the central sulcus, this is frontal lobe. Behind this is parietal lobe, this is temporal lobe, and this is occipital lobe. So frontal lobe basically deals with the motor activity. Parietal lobe deals with the sensory activity. Temporal lobe deals with the auditory and memory, and occipital lobe deals with the vision. So we are going to draw functional areas of the cerebrum on the superolateral aspect, also known as Brodmann areas. So first of all, in the center, we already know this is central sulcus. So anterior to the central sulcus, this is precentral gyrus. Here we have area number 4, that is known as primary motor area. Anterior to this primary motor area, here we have area number 6. This is premotor area. Then in the middle frontal gyrus, here we have area number 8, and this is frontal eye field. Then this is lateral sulcus. Just above the lateral sulcus, here we have pars triangularis, pars opercularis. Here we have two areas, 45 and 44. This is known as Broca's area. Broca's area, also known as motor speech area. 44, 45, motor speech area, Broca's area. Just anterior end of the frontal lobe, 9, 10, 11, these are prefrontal area. So I am repeating, in the frontal lobe, here we have area number 4, primary motor area, area number 6, premotor area number 8, frontal eye field, 9, 10, 11, prefrontal area, then 44, 44 and 45, these are Broca's area, motor speech area. So basically frontal lobe deals with the motor activity. So next, in the temporal lobe, so this is superior temporal gyrus, this is middle. In the superior temporal gyrus, here we have primary auditory area number 41, 42, primary auditory area. And we have also here secondary auditory area, that is 22. Then in the inferior parietal lobule, near about here, we have area number 40 and 39. These are sensory speech area, also known as Wernicke's area. Sensory speech area 40 and 39, these are Wernicke's area. So we can say 22, 40 and 39, these are Wernicke's area, sensory speech area. So behind the central sulcus, here we have post-central sulcus. So here we have area number 2, 3, 1. These are primary somatosensory area. 2, 3, 1. These are primary somatosensory area. In the superior parietal lobule, here we have area number 5 and 7. Area number 5 and 7. These are sensory association area. Then come to the occipital lobe. Here we have 17, 18 and 19. So these are visual area. So 17 is primary visual area, 18 is visual association area, and 19 is occipital eye field. So in short, we can say these are visual area. So as we already know, frontal lobe deals with the motor activity. Frontal lobe deals with the motor activity. Parietal lobe deals with the sensory activity. Temporal lobe deals with the memory and auditory function. Occipital lobe deals with the visual activity. So this is all about the Brodmann area's functional area of cerebral hemisphere. Thank you.